Hey everybody, we're here at 1629 Tabor Avenue, Kettering, Ohio, getting ready to put another great one on the market. Beautiful little ranch, unbelievably well maintained. We've got 1,056 square foot here, 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, newer dimensional shingle roof, newer all vinyl siding, really nice landscaping, and wait till you see the inside of this one. It is absolutely fantastic. Let's go in and take a look. Just stepped in the front door here at 1629 Tabor Avenue in Kettering. This floor plan is a little bit different than some of these homes in the neighborhood. It's got way more of a wide open feel. It's absolutely fantastic when you walk in. Should show you here, we got a cloak closet right as we come in the door. Opens up into our huge living room area. And this front bump out is fantastic. Just adds extra space, lots of natural light in the house. And the way the present owners have set it up, they keep this for their dining room area, also in the same room, which is fantastic. Kitchen's over there. We'll hit that in just a minute. Give you a little shot. That's to the bedrooms, and that's where we just came in. So we're working the right side of the house if you're facing it. And down the hall we go. Flip a light on here. And on our left, this will be on the right side of the house, back of the house, bedroom number 1. Go Bucks. Gotta love it. Heading down the hall. Here is our full bath. Gorgeous flooring. Updated vanity mirror. Very nice. Again, heading to the right side of the house, we're facing it back. They've got this set up presently as their master. That's a king size bed, so you can see these rooms are really nice size. Painting is impeccable in here. Lots and lots of room. Bedroom number 3. Guess it's not too hard to guess who lives here. But again, just super clean. Paint is fantastic. By the way, those are removable letters. Those are not painted on. Closet there for your linens. And another closet here too that I passed up and didn't mention. So heading back out into our big living area. Now we're working the left side of the house and into our really nice galley kitchen here. Nice countertops, flooring is pin clean, updated backsplash. Really a nice setup. Actually quite a bit of counter space here. Stove and micro hood. And as we work towards the back of the house, this would be of course the door that goes out back to the backyard. And look at this. Huge laundry and mechanical room here, all on the first floor. Just a really nice, well-kept house. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna, before we finish up here, give you a shot back in the living area. I'm gonna sneak out back and we'll take a shot of the garage real quick. See you outside. Okay, just stepped out the back door at 1629 Tabor Avenue here in Kettering. Newer AC unit. Again, pointing out all that siding, newer vinyl, no messing with the aluminum. And this is what I kind of wanted to show you guys. This is the detached one car, but it's got this really cool covered area here for entertaining. And I'm trying to talk over the mower next door. I guess he decided to mow tonight when I'm going to make my video, but that's okay. Then here's a shot of the garage. Back inside. So once again, 1629 Tabor Avenue here in Kettering, 1,056 square foot, 3 beds, 1 full bath. You've got the detached one car with the cool covered entertainment area out there. Really absolutely beautiful. Well kept, and I appreciate you taking the time to walk around with me. I hope to hear from you soon. Have a great day. Thanks.